We got our ponchos, but regardless, it's not ideal weather to be riding this in. It's really starting to come down. I don't know if y'all can see it. You were unhappy a minute ago.
I'm just cold.
I don't think we're gonna get that wet.
The theming of this looks sick though.
Yeah, it's gonna be good.
That massive mountain out front with the waterfall was fire.
Be sure to stay seated with your seatbelt fastened. Thanks, y'all.
Did I get
I missed it.
有雨的啊。
Oh my gosh, that's a big lift hill. No.
Be sure to stay seated with your seatbelt fastened. Thanks, y'all.
Thanks, y'all. I don't want to
请大家坐好，并保持安全带。
Bro, that was sick. I'll ride it again just to see that.
这比那个不记得多啊。
Mom, are you going to do an explanation? I think Mark needs to explain.
I really think that.
就这个人吓得大死这样的话。
It needs to go in.
哦，他要。
Oh my god. What is that? No, we're not even halfway. That was a huge drop.
No,
Please don't. Oh my gosh, that whirlpool. Are you serious? Whirlpool? Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no.
来了。
Oh, he's... What is this? best river rapids ride solely because that animatronic is so amazing. The layout and the drop your own drink too, but that was by far and away the highlight. I can't believe I don't have that back at home.
Be sure to stay seated with your seatbelt fastened.